Embrace play and enjoy failure. Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about two things artists are nervous of doing as they develop their practice. I also believe that they are some of the most important things to find time for to enable you to become the best artist you can be. I believe that art is all about exploring the uncharted, pushing boundaries and breaking out of your self-inflicted box, celebrating the potential of imperfection. So today I want to talk about the incredible power of play and failure in the artistic journey. Play. Art is an adventure, and like any great adventure, it's essential to play along the way. Whether you're a painter, sculptor or digital artist, don't get too attached to that initial idea. Use it as a starting point. Let it be your inspiration to go dabble in the unexpected, experiment with the unexplored, and let your creativity run wild. Predictability can stifle your artistic growth, so dare to be playful. Take inspiration from artists like Pablo Picasso and Bourgeois, who constantly reinvented themselves and their work through playful experimentation. Fail. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the end. It's important to see it as a stepping stone to making great work. Each misstep is a lesson learned. Don't shy away from making mistakes. Embrace them. When something doesn't work, take a moment to understand why. Don't simply destroy it. Make sure you record it and pop it in a sketchbook or in a photo library and remember why it doesn't work. Work out ways in which you could have made it into a success. Then become stronger and better prepared, ready to improve your next artistic creation, having embraced the previous failure. Vincent van Gogh's journey was filled with setbacks, but he transformed his struggles into amazing masterpieces by embracing his vulnerability and channeling it into his iconic works. Turn weaknesses into strength. Some of the most remarkable artists have forged their strengths from their perceived weaknesses. Embrace your artistic quirks and have the confidence to amplify them. Your unique perspective and your imagination is your superpower. Artists like Frida Kahlo made their personal struggles an integral part of their work, creating images that resonate deeply with audiences worldwide. So, fellow artists, remember, play and failure are your allies, not your adversaries. Set yourself free from the chains of perfectionism and let your imagination soar. Your journey will be filled with unexpected discoveries, beautiful failures, and the joy of self-discovery. Share your thoughts on the importance of play and failure in art, and let's inspire each other to keep pushing the boundaries of creativity.